Bonjour friends, and happy French Friday to you. Okay, so we have an idea for this room here that's at the top of the stairs. It's a smaller room than the bathroom. The bathroom is quite large, so we're thinking about turning the bathroom into another bedroom and this smaller room here into the bathroom. And so the bathroom will be between the two bedrooms here upstairs. And I just think that makes more sense to us anyways. And it also, it's funny because we were already thinking about doing this, and a subscriber also had the same idea and left me a comment in my last video for the property tour video. And so great minds think alike, and we're excited, and we're so glad this linoleum is coming up easily. It's not glued down, so it's coming up super fast, so that's awesome. And the carpeting is coming up quite quickly as well.
Oh no, more of that vinyl. Oh, thank goodness. Look at that. Beautiful. Why they look like brand new carpet?
Put down this carpet.
Yeah, this carpet's nasty.
Okay, see.
What in the world?
down there.
You gotta be kidding me. Voila. We have more wood. Beautiful. Hey Jess, you need to come see this.
Okay, what?
We got some wood rot, hon.
Oh no!
Look at that.
Oh my gosh. We're gonna have to replace all of those doors?
Yeah, remember the cellar was, they just closed it. They did a roof repair on the northwest corner. Well, this is it.
Okay.
And I don't like there's any bugs, but we definitely got some rotten wood.
Is it from the water damage you did?
Yeah, it's from the water damage you can see on the wall.
There's some black mold there too, it looks like.
Yeah, so not terrible. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 boards.
Okay.
But this will be easy. This won't be a bad repair. So, but I'm glad we pulled the carpet.
Yeah, me too. We are going to go ahead and get started with ripping the wallpaper off in this upstairs bedroom on the 4th floor, the attic area. So we're gonna go ahead and get started in here first, the first room on this floor. And the carpeting has already been ripped out. So thank goodness, bye-bye old yucky carpeting. That's gone. Now we just got to get rid of the old wallpaper in here. And if we're lucky, there's only one wallpaper layer that we have to take off. Okay, so here we are. We've finished this little section here, stripping off the wallpaper. My son and I got that all done, and then I just swept up our mess. But the reason why we're stopping here is because Mr. French Farmhouse came up to check on our progress, and he said to just finish this section that we were working on, and that we didn't have to tear up all the paper. What we've decided to do is to do Venetian plaster over the wallpaper. So that's what I think we're gonna do. And I had started ripping off too much. Didn't realize that this brown stuff was the drywall. So this is the drywall underneath the wallpaper, and looks a little different than the drywall we have in the US. So that's why I didn't realize. I just thought it was the wallpaper bit. So I was tearing it off as well. So we've stopped tearing the drywall off when we realized what that was. And we have swept up the mess, and that's all clean now. And what we need to do now is to just tear off the bits that are loose. Don't we have a pretty view back here of the French countryside? Such a pretty view in the back. Oh, there's Mr. French Farmhouse and my youngest son. They're hauling some garbage down to the garbage and recycle area that's back there. And so what we're gonna do though, Mr. French Farmhouse said to just go ahead and peel away the bits that are loose, like those bits right there that are loose. So we're just gonna get any loose paper off, which we don't have very many spots that are loose, just a few at the seams here that we're gonna make sure that we tear off. And then we will be ready to Venetian plaster the walls up here. I love the wood beams in here, and I love the wood floor now that the carpeting is gone. It's beautiful, knotty pine flooring in here, and I can't wait till it looks really pretty when we've got it all done. We still need to fix the flooring over here, so we do have a lot of work ahead of us, but I know it's going to be worth it when it's all done. We don't have a lot of lighting up here to work with, so that's all we're working with as far as lighting, and then of course the natural light that's coming in from the windows. And it is kind of a dreary day today, so hopefully the lighting is okay while videoing. But I think, like I said, I think the natural light is helping us work up here on the 4th floor today, so. Okay, that's it for now. This is the upstairs bathroom, the one that we want to turn into a bedroom, and then turn the other smaller room into a bathroom. So then we'll have a bathroom in between the 2 bedrooms, and then we will also have 2 bedrooms upstairs instead of just the 1. So I think that will make for a much nicer layout. And I thought I hit record on the camera when we were removing the carpeting and removing some of the wallpaper, and I must have not done it right. So sadly, I'm sorry I do not have footage of that. So I just wanted to explain that we did remove the carpeting and started removing the wallpaper as well. Okay, I brought this curtain from home, this tall curtain here, and actually it's oblong tablecloth. And I thought it may come in handy because I knew we had this area here in the bathroom that we were going to have to wait until we could get that fixed. So just to add some privacy right now in the bathroom, we've added that curtain to cover up that area where it had the broken glass on that window. If you remember, I shared that with you earlier. And another temporary solution we came up with is just to put plastic over this window so that we do not have any broken little glass, because the problem we were having was these little pieces of glass were still falling down, and we didn't want anything in broken glass on the floor or in the bathtub. So just for now, temporarily, until we can get it fixed, we've done that. I can't remember if I shared this with you guys already, but we have an old cupboard down here in the basement part and on the lowest level. And it looks like an old built-in cupboard with a wine rack over here. I think we shared it with you in when we gave you a tour of the place, the new place. So pretty sure we shared that already, but just in case we haven't, this old rake is really cool too. And then we have these old beams, and then an old beam above the garage door here that goes out to the garage area. I love the old tile that's in this storage room area. We have a little bit different tile going out here to the garage area. And then over here we have an old water trough area, which we think was probably used for horses to be able to get a drink in here. This was probably the old carriage house where they would have the horses, and maybe possibly a carriage if they owned a carriage for their horses. So that's really neat. We thought that was a really cool find. So you have the water spigot here. Okay, so Mr. French Farmhouse fixed that broken window up there. That's all done. So we feel good about that, that no more cold air is coming in. And then he was able to fix this middle window here that was broken. And he just didn't have enough glass to finish the one on to the left. So it's fine though for now, at least the cold air is not coming in. We have the wood on there. So that will probably get fixed the next trip. And then looks like we also have a window over here that needs to be fixed still on the side over here. We have a window on either side of the garage doors. So it lets in some nice natural light in there. So this door looks like it was originally like a French blue, my robinate blue color that I like. I like to call it French blue, and it's a little bit faded and dirty, but I think that was the original color, and that's exactly what I think we are going to repaint it. And you can see it coming through here. These doors are definitely faded and they haven't been painted, it looks like, in a long time. So hopefully next trip we will get to all of this work, repainting the exterior doors and shutters and everything. So a lot more work ahead of us. As you can see here, this interior door was the same blue color, it looks like. So I can't wait to get a fresh coat of paint on all of that, but it's kind of neat that we are planning on wanting to do that same exact color again. So that's pretty cool that that was what was originally here in the first place. Love the old beams. I think that's so cool. Here's the old staircase that curves up to go upstairs from the garage and basement storage room area. So this is the exciting part where we are going to clean the window and door so that we can put the logo on the storefront window and door. So this is very exciting, and my husband and I have always wanted to have a live-work unit type situation where we had a business and then living quarters above our business. And so this is truly a dream come true for us, and we're so excited to be sharing this new adventure and journey with you. And we hope that you will enjoy this new adventure and following along with us and seeing our new place come to life, and as we work on it and make improvements. I am so happy with how the vinyl turned out on our building that I have to give a shout out to Coastal Printing, located in Santa Paula, California. I'll leave the website on the screen for you and also in the description box below. They also do hats and t-shirts, etc. if you're looking for products for your business. Thank you so much for being here, friends, and for coming along with us on this journey. I appreciate you so much and the support that you give to me and to my channel. I'll see you in the next one when we will be doing more renovation work. Until then, au revoir.